Hey everyone, today we are looking at very interesting Java concept about intelligent comparison. So let's start. First I create one class file. It should be intelligent comparison. I add here one public static void main and I use integer wrapper. Its value should be 150 and second value also should be 150 and I take one I add one SOP here comparing num1 and num2 and second one using equal method. Now I run this program. Now see here, first line when we use double equator it should produce false, and second one when we are using equals method then it is generate true. So we can see here num1 and num2 it is a same value, it has same value but it is generate false. So it is happen because of num1 and num2 when we are using integer wrapper classes then it is considered as an object, and when we are using equal to method double equal to operator with num1 num2 then it is considered object. So it is a check in a memory object is same or not, so that's why it is generate false. And second one is equals method. So equals method it is verify content is equals or not, so that's why it is generate true. Now second example also we can understand. Here another variable I create num3 and here I add value is 100, and same thing again we can do here num3 and num4 and num4. Now what happened, we can run first this program. Now we can see here in first 150 it is generate false for first line and second line it is generated true, but when we are using number 3 and number 4 has 100 value and first line it is generate true and second line it is also generate true. So this is happen because of integer catch has limit. Limit is when you are using 1 minus 128 to 127. So it is when value is same then it is reuse the object, same object from memory. So we can here add 127 and again run this program and we can see here true is generated. So it is limit is 127. If we can over the 127 then it is verify in a integer catch it and check it is available or not. So it available in cache then it is use that object, otherwise if more than 127 then it is not use the same object. So we can run here when we use 127 that is also true return, but again I add 1 plus and verify. Now we can see here first line it is generate false because of it is over the 127. So this is an interesting concept in a Java when we are using integer wrapper, but if we are using int value then it is compare its value in an integer form, then it is generate the true value. So that's amazing concept. If you like this concept, then please comment out. Thank you.